Well, long-distance relationships. Can they work? They can work. But they take some work for sure.
They can take a lot of work. Dr. Viviana Coles with Houston Relationship Therapy is here to help you out if you're going through this. How do you pull it off? It's hard. I've done it. You've tried it.
I've done it. Yeah. It's not easy, but I feel like it might be easier now than ever, especially because there are video calls, like FaceTime, if you wanted to Zoom. Like, obviously, we learned a lot about that during the pandemic shutdown. But yeah, take advantage and schedule regular video calls. Maybe normally, if you were living together, you'd be able to have dinner together at home. Well, why not chat for 10 to 15 minutes while you're eating or while you're preparing your meals? You got to eat. Might as well do it together.
Oh, that's a fun idea.
Yeah.
Light some candles and have a video candlelight dinner.
Turn off the lights and light a candle.
Okay. Y'all in a very romantic mood this morning, and I love that. And part of that is, like, you can actually surprise each other by sending gifts. I don't know about y'all, but anytime I receive a package,
care packages are the best.
So excited for whatever it is. Send me your stuff, guys. No, it's so much fun. But to be able to do that, knowing that it's from a partner, you know it's going to be something funny. It's going to be something probably very personalized and custom to you. So send surprise gifts. It keeps things fun, light, and of course, it doesn't have to ever be too expensive.
Yeah.
I learned when I was in a long-distance relationship that she and I would make sure we never left seeing each other without knowing when we would see each other again.
Oh, I love that.
At least I know I'm going to see you again. So I think planning visits obviously is pretty important.
Yes, plan visits for in-person. And I do work with a lot of kind of high-profile clients where they're traveling all the time. Some are, you know, working on sets and things like that. So don't go longer than 2 weeks, if you can help it, without seeing each other, without having that planned visit. But sure, that can make things a lot easier to say bye when you know that you're going to get to say hello pretty soon.
Communication is the key here.
So, yeah, more than probably any other dynamic in relationships, this is, in long-distance relationships, you must communicate, because you're not getting to check in physically. You're not getting to check in with, like, the way that you present yourself and what's going on. It's not a given, so you have to communicate more than ever, and more transparently, more openly. Offer, hey, can I call you after work today? Offer that instead of just saying, well, they'll call me if they want to talk. Offer it. Yeah.
You gotta talk.
And I'm just trying to picture, if you're struggling with this, so you really want to make it work, but it's really difficult. At what point do you know it's time to just say, you know what, we tried, but it's time to let it go? So
if the times that you are spending together are not going very well, even after that absence, right? Because we've often said absence makes the heart grow fonder. If the times that you're together, you're arguing, the times that you're apart, you're arguing, obviously I'd like to, you know, come to Houston Relationship Therapy. We'll see if we can help sort things out. But even if you've tried through that, it might be time to let it go. It might just not be the dynamic for you. Not everybody can survive long-distance relationships, and that's okay. But it's better to know that than to kind of go this prolonged period of time of just unsettledness.
Yeah, sometimes you got to say peace out.
Peace out.
Deuces.
See you never.
Oh, goodness.
All right. Dr. V, appreciate you.
Unbreak my heart. Just kidding. Thanks, Dr. V.
Bye.
All right, coming up next, we talk about a